Today I'm going to share with you a tool that will help busy families prepare healthy meals for their children. This is GROWNSY's all-in-one steamer baby food maker. It's a steamer, it's a food processor, it's the tool you need to make healthy meals for your children. Look at this ingenious machine that comes with great instructions, and as you can see, it's well packaged, easy to add to a gift and have it delivered. I think this is a baby registry must. Love it. Nothing to assemble, all packed together here safely in one tool. It tells you right on the box many of the things that it can do. It steams, it purees, it's safe and hygienic, and it has a custom consistency. We've tried this machine and we know that it makes the best pureed food for babies. Parents want to have their own healthy food, not just to avoid baby food, but to give them something that's not processed, and it's also economical to use what you're already using in your kitchen for your family. It gives you guides here to tell you exactly how long to cook different foods. Baby's first foods are on here so you can get started right away. The machine has several functions which makes it so great. You can steam food and prepare an item for the baby to eat or for yourself, and you can also puree food that's already cooked. Whatever you're serving the family can now be edible for baby by preparing it. By pureeing it, you can do that in automatic mode and a manual mode, and you can also sterilize. So we're going today to do sweet potatoes. We're going to put them in the basket. Look here, this is where you fill the water to the water line, the red line there. It's very precise where to put the top on and lock. Now we're going to put sweet potato in here and lock our top. To actually cook the sweet potatoes, when you turn it on, you can choose the mode of your choice. I'm going to choose steam. Turn it on. Steam. The default is 15. You can add or subtract time by tapping the button. 15 is what's recommended for sweet potatoes, so I'm going to leave it at that. And you do not have to touch the button again. You just let it go. When the food is complete, there is a beep and it returns to 0. So we're going to carefully open this. The steam does come out of the rear, so take note of that. Ooh. So now my food is freshly steamed. It's very soft. I'm going to now remove the steaming basket and I'm going to puree the food. Back in the same. I'm going to let that little bit of water stay in there, give it a little moisture. Boiling removes a lot of the vitamins, so this all-in-one machine makes it perfect. You can steam it, get it into soft texture, and now we're going to puree it. We're going to turn it on, and we're going to pick auto, and it begins the puree process. It pulses automatically as needed. The cycle is complete. Let's see how it looks. It's so great that you will retain the fibers of the foods by not boiling them, and all that is conveniently done in this one basket. Look at that, it's perfect. It's so perfectly pureed, that great texture, that's healthy. You can see the fiber in it, but it's very, very soft, and it is BPA free, and it is the perfect blend and steam all in one basket that's perfect for your baby and family. And you can change the course of that texture as the child continues to grow. You can have a fine like this, a medium or a coarse texture as their taste buds mature. But look at that, perfectly healthy sweet potatoes ready to eat by a baby. And please follow the instructions on each vegetable or fruit, all the delicious things that you want to make for your baby, all easy to make right with this one machine. It comes with the extras of a steam protective top and a spoon for scooping out. This product was provided for me from my honest review, and I look forward to using it with my family, and I highly recommend GROWNSY's Baby Food Maker and a lot of other great products as well. This is a must-have for parents, grandparents, and caregivers.